Today's video, we're going to be going over how to install a polymer lazy Suzan tray. This is the polymer tray box. It will be shipped separately from your cabinet. This one happens to be a 28-inch diameter for a 33 lazy Suzan. So let's get started. After you unpack everything, you'll see we'll have two trays. This is the center post, the pivots, the screw, and the clips to keep the pole together. The next step is you'll want to find on this diagram which one you're putting in. Lillian sells a 28 and a 32. This one happens to be a 28, so we'll cut across that line. All right, we're going to go for the 28. So you'll cut this line. Alright, and you won't need the rest. What you want to do is put this template to fit right in the corner. Then you'll want to mark the center of the pole. After that, take a ruler, putting it on this tip and on the line, and draw a line down. From there, you'll take your tape measure, come from the corner out 9 inches, and put a mark. This will alleviate a lot of the work laying in the cabinet. What I do at that point is drill a hole through it. 8-inch hole will work through there. And we'll get back to that next. Now you'll put the template in the base of your cabinet, lining up the corner, and then you'll mark this center point. Then you'll take your straight edge, finding your center point from the template, which is there, and draw a diagonal line. And you want to go a little bit past, and you'll see why in a bit. Okay. You'll use 4 of the screws supplied in your kit. Now, holding that on your marks, you'll put it 4 screws in each corner. Alright, from your center mark we did previously, you'll want to put an inch mark to the front. Now, centering that inch mark on your hole, in this hole, and the 2 points will give you the right direction. Now this one here, we will draw the elongated holes, and that's to, once you put it in, and if you notice your pole is not plumb, you can slide this bracket side to side to make it plumb. Okay, now you'll take your drill with the 16th inch drill bit and just put it in the center of your mark. Drill all the way through. This will help you so you don't have to lay in the cabinet to see where your marks are. What you'll want to do now is take this top bracket and see the 2 indicators. Make sure when you flip it over that they're pointing to the front and back of the cabinet. Now you'll put your screws in the predetermined holes we just drilled. Next, you'll put both trays together and bring them into the cabinet. You'll take the rod with the screw facing to you and this cutout at the bottom. So make sure you spin it so you can see that top screw. Spinning it through both of the trays. Then you'll spin this around and align the bottom of the rod over your center cup. Now you'll extend the center rod into the top cup. Make sure it's tight to the top. You'll want to slide your tray up to the height that you want. And then put this clip, will go in a hole like this, but underneath. Alright, now you'll take this keeper and slide it in from the back side to the front. Making sure this is to the front. Once it's in place, you will see how it finds the center.